Good morning, students. As you know, we are doing indefinite integrals, and we are in last phase of integration, which is about to end of the topic. Today, see some more question from indefinite integral. See first question: integrate sin x divided by sin x minus cos x dx. In very first step, rationalize it by 2. So it should be written as 1 by 2 into 2 sin x divided by sin x minus cos x dx. In numerator, add and subtract cos x. So it should be written as sin x minus cos x plus sin x plus cos x divided by sin x minus cos x dx. Now separate it into two integrals. Sin x minus cos x by sin x minus cos x, that will be first 1 by 2 into integral of sin x minus cos x divided by sin x minus cos x dx plus integral of sin x plus cos x divided by sin x minus cos x dx. See the first integration, it should be cancelled and becomes 1. So it should be written as 1 by 2 into integral of 1 into dx after cancellation plus integral of sin x plus cos x divided by sin x minus cos x dx. Suppose this is I1 plus I2. Integration of 1 is very simple. It is x, you know. In second integration, put sin x minus cos x is equals to u. Differentiate it. Differentiation of sin x will be cos x and differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So it becomes positive. So plus sin x dx will be du. Now come on to the question. So our integration should be written as 1 by 2 integral of 1, which is x, it is very simple, plus this becomes du and in denominator is 1 by u. So 1 integral of 1 by u du. This is very simple. This is formula for log u. So it should be written as 1 by 2 into x plus log u. U is sin x minus cos x. So finally write down the value of u, then integration is 1 by 2 into x plus log sin x minus cos x plus integral constant c. This is your answer. Similarly, if it is given cos x, we proceed in same way. You are able to solve the integration. Now see another question. Integrate under root tan theta plus under root cot theta d theta. This is our question. Integral of root tan theta plus under root cot theta d theta. This should be written as under root tan theta, and root cot theta means 1 by root tan theta d theta. Take out LCM. After taking LCM, it becomes tan theta plus 1 divided by under root tan theta d theta. Your integration now will be this. Now apply substitution of denominator. Put tan theta is equals to u square. Differentiate them. Differentiation of tan theta is sec square theta d theta is equal to du. Also tan theta plus 1 will be u square. So now integration should be written as, first see tan theta plus 1, tan theta is u square, so 1 plus u square divided by under root tan theta means u into differentiation d theta means differentiation of tan theta, that is sec square theta d theta into 2u du. So we should write here 2u du by sec square theta, 2u du by sec square theta means 1 plus tan square theta. Tan theta is u, so tan square theta is u to the power 4. But one u should cancel here. Finally, it should be written as 1 plus u square divided by 1 plus u to the power 4 du. Now divide numerator and denominator by u square. Divide by u square. We will get I is equals to 1 by u square plus 1 means 1 plus 1 by u square divided by u square, this one, plus 1 by u square du. Simplify further. 1 plus 1 by u square du. See, in denominator apply the formula for a square plus b square, which should be a minus b whole square plus 2ab. A into b should be cancel u and 1 by u. Again apply substitution. Put u minus 1 by u as z. Differentiate them. 1 plus 1 by u square. I think all of you understand it. Du is equals to dz. So now integration reduces after double substitution. This is dz by z square plus 2 means root 2 square, and integration becomes now very simple. So it is 1 by a 1 by root 2 tan inverse x by a means z by root 2. Now put the value of z here. So 1 by root 2, sorry, this I left equals to, so equals to 1 by root 2 tan inverse 1 by root 2, write down first, 1 by root 2 z. Our z is u minus 1 by u minus 1 by u. And finally write down the value of u, which is root tan theta. So I should be written as 1 by root 2 tan inverse 1 by root 2 u means under root tan theta minus 1 by u. 1 by u means if you want you simplify but further, otherwise you can leave here by taking as constant, integral constant c. Now see one more question, that is integrate 1 by your next question is integrate 1 by sine to the power 6x plus cos to the power 6x dx. 1 by sine to the power 6x plus cos to the power 6x dx. So in such type of question, first apply the formula for a cube plus b cube. Sine 6x means sine square to the power cube. So applying the formula of a cube plus b cube, what is formula? A plus b means sine square x plus cos square x into a square, that is sine to the power 4x plus b square, which is sine square x into cos square x plus b square, that is cos 4x. So apply the formula for a cube plus b cube. A plus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So now children, you know sine square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. So integration now should be written as 1 into dx divided by this becomes 1. So sine to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x, that this should be minus a square minus ab. This is 1 means sine to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x minus sine square x into cos square x. Since sine square x plus cos square x is 1. Again apply the formula for squares here. A square plus b square. So here it should be written as a plus b whole square means sin square x plus cos square x whole square minus 2ab minus 2 sin square x into cos square x, and 1 here already, minus sin square x into cos square x. Finally we have, this is again 1 and its square is 1, so it should be written as 1 into dx divided by 1 minus 3 sin square x into cos square x. Next, divide it by, I am going to write here, divide by cos to the power 4x. Cos to the power 4x, when it is divided by cos to the power 4x, then numerator will be sec to the power 4x dx divided by 1 by cos to the power 4x means sec to the power 4x minus 3, 1 cos square x should be cancelled, so 3 tan square x. Further separate it, sec square x, and 1 sec square x should be written as 1 plus tan square x into sec square x dx. In denominator it is sec square x square means 1 plus tan square x whole square minus 3 tan square x. Further simplify, or you may first put here, apply substitution, put tan x is equals to u, then sec square x dx will be du, so integration will be 1 plus u square du, 1 plus u square du divided by 1 plus u square whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 3u square du, or it should be further written as u square plus 1 du divided by u to the power 4 minus u square plus 1. Now divide by u square. So 1 plus 1 by u square du, u square 1 by u square plus 1 by u square minus 1. After division of, here I am writing divide by u square. Now it becomes simple. Apply the formula 1 plus 1 by u square du, it is u minus 1 by u whole square plus 2 minus 1, which is plus 1. Now put u minus 1 by u is equals to z, then 1 plus 1 by u square du after differentiation will be dz, then it should be written as dz by z square plus 1. Now integration is very simple. It should be tan inverse z. Tan inverse z, write down the value of z, which is tan inverse u minus 1 by u. Then write down the value of u, which is tan x. So it should be written as tan inverse tan x minus 1 by tan x. You may take LCM or you may write it as cot x. You can write whatever you feel easy. So tan inverse tan x minus cot x plus c. This is your result. So at the end of class I will give you some more questions for practice and you must submit it by today. Till then,